If you ever were considering color, maybe blonde, highlights, get the brown sugar swirl, girl. Dropping bars, get the brown sugar swirl, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Y'all, I'm hype. I'm really hyped because I've been getting back into this filming mode. You know, I wasn't filming for a very long time. I haven't been editing the videos that I had filmed, but your girl was feeling good. I've been feeling really good. I've been bringing a lot of new wigs for you guys, and I'm getting back into the swing of things. So thank God for that, okay? And on another note too, before I forget, y'all make sure y'all follow me on my socials, because outside of these wig reviews, I don't know if you found me on TikTok, I don't know if you found me on Instagram, but I kind of show a little bit of personality over there, you know, with the shorts. So follow me over there, and sometimes I post them over here too. So anyway, that's that. Today in this video, I'm telling y'all about this new wig from Outre. It's from the Melted Hairline collection. It's Adelina. Okay, I hope I'm saying that right. I have the color DR Brown Sugar Swirl, and she is 14 inches. I think I'm liking these 14 inches wigs because it's hot and they don't tangle. But anyway, it's the color Brown Sugar Swirl. So I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel, but yeah. I'm smiling. I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on to achieve these final results. Let's jump in. Hey there. So again, this is Miss Adelina from the Melted Hairline collection. I have the color DR Brown Sugar Swirl. Y'all see all those pretty colors it came in. I like this Brown Sugar Swirl because do y'all see these highlights, these dimensions that Outre gives us? Beautiful highlights. It comes with a standard lace part. This is what the lace looks like up against my skin, and a standard cap construction with a breathable mesh. You're gonna get an elastic band, and yes, it is adjustable. So y'all know I like to fill my wigs out. I like to put them on my head and play with it, see what it's working with. That hairline looks really good. It looks really realistic. I like that the knots are thin and, you know, it's not those harsh black knots anymore. So I'm going to customize this hairline just a tad, Y'all know me, I like to kind of play with my wig, but you don't have to do this. So that's what it looks like with the hot comb. I brushed some of those baby hairs down, and I also did tweeze it just a little bit. I'm also leaving some of those baby hairs down in the front because I am going to want to play with that. But this is all the hair that I got, so I didn't tweeze too much. So I cut the wig, and I used my lace tinting spray off camera just to match the lace to my complexion. Keep in mind that sometimes the lace may match your complexion, sometimes it may not, depending on your complexion. I need to match it to my complexion, so I'm using lace tinting spray. But it looks really good glueless if you just go in with that lace tinting spray, or makeup or powder, whatever you guys choose. So now I do like that kind of melted look, so I'm going to use my lace bond adhesive spray. This is a temporary adhesive. This is not glue. This can last for a few days. I have had my wig secured for a few days using this spray, but I like to take them off at night, and it also does come off with water at night if you choose to do that. So when I put it on, I like to comb some of the hair back while I'm making it tacky with the blow dryer. And I'm also using that little anchor that you saw, the hair that I pulled down. And then I'm just putting a little bit of lace adhesive spray right under the lace, making it a little tacky and placing that lace right over it. Again, I'm combing some of the hair back. It does make a difference when the hair dries. I'm also combing some of those baby hairs down as I comb some of the hair back, because again, I want to go in with some of those baby hairs. I knew I wanted to use it, and I didn't want it to be all sticky with the lace adhesive spray. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, making it tacky, placing the lace over it, and repeating those steps. And those hairs that I initially pulled down on the side, that's how I like to use it as an anchor while I'm kind of molding the hair. And then I also go in with a little bit of lace adhesive spray on the top. I did get a comment that this did lift with sweating, but for me, I haven't had any issues, y'all, with this lace adhesive spray. I really do like it. I think going in with a few layers makes a difference. But y'all comment below how y'all feeling about this lace adhesive spray. So while that was drying, I put on my makeup and I kind of went on a date, but I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. So the swoops are already there because I left the house, and I'm gonna talk about that later. But right now I'm just breaking up that adhesive because it does get really stiff and you don't want it to look too cakey. You want it to look more realistic and natural. Then I'm also wiping that alcohol right over it, and I'm just kind of
making my baby hairs that I did put on there, I'm just breaking that up and just making it look a little bit more flowy instead of like plastered on. I just like that natural kind of wispy baby hair look nowadays, so that's what I'm doing. I'm also going in with a little bit of synthetic wig spray. I definitely recommend these sprays if you're going to be wearing synthetic wigs. Applying final touches with my hot comb at the top. Y'all know this stuff. Y'all watch these videos, and I'm just telling this for the new people, okay? So I'm smoothing out the top and getting it to look more scalp-like, and then I'm going to clean up that part and make it look like a part. And I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses powder in the part. Y'all see how that part immediately pops? I really do like this powder. Everything is going to be linked under Wig Essentials, and that's it.
Alright guys, so I'm finished with Miss Adelina. I believe that's how you say it. This is from the Melted Hairline collection, and she is gorgeous. She is beautiful. So I actually just uploaded a video with a middle part version to this, and I didn't even realize it was like pretty much the same wig. Darcy, check it out right here, just in case I forget to tell y'all, because sometimes I forget to tell you guys stuff. So a few specs. This is from Outre. It's from the Melted Hairline collection. If you guys aren't familiar with that collection, are you new? Are you new here? No, let me tell you. So this is a standard lace part. You cannot part this wig wherever. It just comes with this side part. But again, if you're looking for a middle part, consider Miss Darcy. That's her cousin, okay? The video's right here. So I do have this wig in the color DR Brown Sugar Swirl. It's 14 inches. It comes in a lot of pretty colors. I really was debating on getting this one in like a blonde kind of tips, but I decided to go with these highlights. This Brown Sugar Swirl never really disappoints. Now, you're going to get some combs in the front, one in the back. It does come with an adjustable band, and that is adjustable. The cap, you can scratch your scalp with this cap. You're going to get that hairline effect with this, with the melted hairline. That's the beauty of the melted hairline. It looks like a frontal, but it's not. And that's pretty much it with specs. All right, so now let's talk about my install. This install was actually very easy. It wasn't hard at all. Since I just edited that Darcy video, I realized in that video I was saying that the wig was kind of intermittent, not beginner friendly. I don't know if I was just having a bad day or what, but these wigs are very beginner friendly. Now, I think I said that in that video only because I customize my wigs. I don't wear them out the pack. And a lot of people ask me about wigs and just put them on their head. So when I say it's not beginner friendly, I mean you have to put in a little bit of work to them. You got to match the lace to your complexion, melt it if you do want this effect. You don't have to do that, but you could just put it on with lace tint spray and go. I like it to look as realistic as possible, so therefore I'm going to melt my wig. I'm going to use my melting sprays, whichever one I choose for the day. Today I did use the Red by Kiss. No. See, I didn't even use that one. I used the Kiss Colors and Care melting spray, and it's a really good hold. Now, I realized with this melting spray, you can get away with wearing this wig for a couple of days. This spray does not disappoint. I also did go in with my tinting spray, and I love this. Which one is it? Which one? It's the Red by Kiss tinting spray, and I really like it. I like the nozzle on it. Who is chewing? I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on.
12 seconds later.
Alright, y'all. I'm back. I'm sorry. That's what happens when, you know, I don't have a real studio. Y'all know this is a fake background. So my family's in the back. Anyway, shout out to the family. Speaking of the family, while I was doing this melt, I did go out with my husband today. We had a little date, and I was melting this wig down. And I actually did the swoops off camera because we had to leave the house. So if you saw me come back with the little swoops, it's because we had to leave the house. So that's what happened with that. I do like that lace tinting spray. I like the nozzle on the bigger can. It's a really good mist. Oh, here it is. Is this it? Yeah. So I really, really like the nozzle on this tinting spray. It's really good. All right, so that's that. And what else? They're trying to eat, and I'm over here telling everybody to be quiet because I gotta film. The struggle is real. Anyway, that's the lace tinting spray. What else? Also, guys, I did want to tell you, when I tweeze these wigs, I do like more of a tweezer like this as opposed to that really sharp tweezer. This is still sharp, but it's just different. It's just different. I'll leave a link below. I don't go in with the ones that's like the pointed edges anymore because they tend to get holes in the wigs. This one is really good for tweezing. Okay, I did use synthetic wig products. You guys know these synthetic wigs by now. If you're getting a synthetic wig, I highly suggest you invest in your products. Get your synthetic wig sprays. I did a video right here on a few suggestions of synthetic wig sprays. They really do make a difference. And this short one, I'm not getting much tangling. I'm not getting much shedding. It's a really good everyday wig. I like this wig. I like it a lot. I didn't even tweeze much on this wig. I just did the front for the frontal effect. And that was it. But I'm really considering going back and getting more colors in this wig because she's so easy. She's so everyday. She's really cute. These waves, it's not like defined waves. It's not straight, but it's like a loose, messy bob. So I'm here for it. If you ever were considering color, maybe blonde, highlights, get the Brown Sugar Swirl, girl. Dropping bars, get the Brown Sugar Swirl, girl. The texture is just like Darcy. It's a little slightly silky. It's a little light yucky. It's definitely silky, but it's like a tad bit of yucky, but I like it. It's that Outre silky yucky. She's cute and it's getting hot, so I need to turn the AC back on. Y'all know I'll be turning off the AC to film because the microphone, that doesn't matter. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this one. Drop some comments down below because I love talking to you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.